So guys, you are watching Techsonish. This is a Pickyourtrip project, and this is a part of 4, and this is a part of a footer page creation part 2. So in last video I'm creating a class imgs, or inside the imgs class I'm passed the margin 10 pixel and the margin 20 pixel, top and bottom 10, left and right 20. So this is our web page. It's our Laravel web page. So the 10 pixel and 20 pixel is showing like this. Okay, perfect. This is a 10 and 20. Okay, and inside the imgs class I want to call the img class tag. Sorry, inside the imgs class I am call the img tag. So first of all call the imgs. Okay, and here is a img. Okay, okay, perfect. Img tag. Okay, perfect. Here I pass the same thing. Margin is a 10 and 20, top and bottom, and this is a whisper. Okay, perfect, no problem. I think left and right say I need a more space, so it's a 50. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Now I need a height of a class A. Okay. Minimum height 300 pixels. Okay, perfect. Refresh. When I refresh this, so it's showing like this. Okay, perfect. I think this section is complete. When we are enter the original pages inside the database, original images, so this is visible. Okay, perfect. But here is some problem. The partner with the best industry is inside the middle, and here is a sideways. So first of all I can check. Okay, so first of all cut it. Here we are pass a h2, h3. Okay, here I am pass a id, and id to comma is the name is a partner. Okay, partner is the id. So first of all give the css hashtag partner. Basically hashtag is used for a id in a css, and okay, perfect, hashtag partner. Okay, perfect. Here what I want, actually I want to width, width is a 400 pixel, and margin is a R2. So it will help you to display your content in the middle. Okay, perfect. So I can pass the width is a 300, and I think this is an inline. Okay, perfect, no problem. S3, H2, okay. H5 helps you to write the short line. Okay, no problem. I'm just passing the S3, and the width is a 600. Okay, 600 pixel. So this is a perfectly showing in a single line. Okay, perfect. Now I will pass the H3 to H2. This is a little bit boring work, but it's really take the time. H4, this is the H4, and okay, when you start your H4, so this is already showing it to H4, no problem, perfect. Now I want to pass the about section. Inside the about section, one is a necessary thing is a background, another is a necessary thing is your logo. So for this I'm I already download a animation, so just copy this, and this animation is with the extension happy forward. Okay, ठीक है. Just copy this, come to on you see pick your trip inside your public folder, inside your X, inside you are creating a folder that name is video. Inside the video you just paste it, okay, or you just try rename it. Rename the name is AS, okay, perfect. Come here, first of all we need to call the video. Actually video है, so मुझे call करना होगा video tag. So guys, now our step is that I want to create this type of logo in a about section. So just go back in the about section. Actually before the about section I am creating a about section with the class name B. Actually I am pass the class name B in the about section, and this class name B is have a height is a 500 pixel, okay, and width is a by default is a. So now I want to call the video. So before video I have a download. I'm already download a video which is enabled on a pasted on a public folder name public, inside the X folder, inside the video folder, and inside the name is AS, and extension is a MP4 file. Okay, perfect. So now I'm called the video tag. Basically video tag is a SRC. So here some rules are passing here. Actually I'm copy the video tag in from the WS3 queue. So here you can check video tag. This is our video tag. One attribute is autoplay, one attribute is muted, and another attribute is ID loop, and then here a pass a ID. Basically I'm paste it. Video is a autoplay muted loop में रहेगा, autoplay रहेगा और muted रहेगा starting phase पे. ID इस पे हमने लगाएंगे my video, source लगाया है, source के अंदर src लगाया है, तो मैं source के अंदर src में जाकर as.php पास कर देता हूँ. So basically now I'm pass the source of as.mp4.php file and delete the text of this delete, and now I'm going to refresh our page. So basically it's not showing just because I'm not passed the folder path name. So basically my folder name is inside the public folder. So the name is X, the name is img, the name is video and slash as.php. So inside the public folder ex नाम का फोल्डर है, उसके अंदर एक वीडियो फोल्डर है, और उसके बाद ये है as.php फाइल है. सेव किया, रिफ्रेश किया. Okay, perfect. This is showing perfectly. I have no issue. Now I'm going to design the path of this. So ID is my video. So in going to CSS, pass the my video hashtag my video. Okay, height HEIGST height is a 500 pixels. Okay, perfect. Height is a 200. Sorry, 100 pixel. Okay, width is a 100 pixel. Okay, perfect. No, it's not working. Why it's not working? Okay. My video hashtag my video here. No, this is a hashtag my video. So now I'm refresh this page. Listen, look this page. perfectly. This is a height and width is a 100 pixel. Now I am past the position is a absolute. Okay, position is a absolute. Okay, and right is a 350 pixel. Okay, okay, and right is a 450 pixel. Okay, perfect. 450 is a higher value. 350 it's a 200 pixel. It's a 200 pixel. Okay, look this. Okay, now I'm past the top. Top is a 80%. Perfect. Okay, perfect. So now I'm past the image, basically which we are enabling above the video. So I'm past the img tag. The source is a X, the source is a img, the file name is 1.php, 1.png, sorry. The width is a 100, width is equal to double input comma is a 100. Okay, perfect. Perfectly it's showing. Actually now I'm check my height of the video. Height is a 200 and width is a 200. So I'm past the width is a 200. So by default is a height is a 200 for my image. Okay, perfect. So now I want to pass left. So I'm just use this ID inside the img tag. So same position is for both. Okay, perfect. Now I'm past the Z index inside the style inline style for the HTML for the img. Z index is equal to 1. Refresh. Is this visible? No, this is not a visible. So guys, now I'm trying again to pass the Z index inside the image tag. So first of all, I'm call the style tag is equal to double inverted comma. Here is a write the Z dash index colon 1. Okay, perfect. Save it. Okay, perfect. Inside the inline styling, I'm going to pass the opacity. 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 Opacity is a 0.3 and check how is it visible. Okay, perfect. If you want to something hard, so you can pass the 7. This is a perfectly showing on your page like this. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Actually background is a black, I think. Yeah, the video background is a black, so in my case it's a white, so little bit different. No doubt I can change after some time. Okay, now I want to write this type of text. So about, just going back to our tab, this is a before img I want to pass some p like a paragraph, and paragraph is like this. Okay, and paste it. Okay, perfect. And now I'm here right to pick your trip. Okay, pass. Oh, sorry. Now want to refresh this. Okay, perfect. Okay. Here I'm past the. Okay, no, I don't need any ID or something passed. I just want to write a class B, and here I'm write a class tag P and a width. Width is a